You are not bad at English. Your mouth is just not trained. You understand many words when you listen. You can read and understand simple sentences. But when you try to speak, your mouth feels slow. Your words do not come out easily. You stop again and again, and you think something is wrong with you. Hello, my friend. I am very happy you are here today. This lesson is for you. If you understand English but cannot speak, this will help you. Today we will not learn difficult grammar. We will not learn many new words. Today we will train your mouth. Speaking is not only about knowing words. Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth, your tongue, and your voice must work together. If you do not practice speaking, your mouth will stay weak. Your brain may understand, but your mouth will not respond. That is why you feel stuck. Think about this. If you watch swimming videos every day, will you learn to swim? No. You must go into the water. You must move your body. You must practice again and again. Speaking English is the same. You must use your mouth, not only your mind. Many people feel shy to speak. They feel nervous. They are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of people's reactions. So they stay silent. But silence does not help you grow. Silence makes your fear stronger, and your voice becomes weaker. So today, take your first step. Open your mouth and speak. Even if your English is not perfect, speak. Even if your sentence is small, speak. Your voice must come out, because speaking is practice, not perfection. Start with very simple sentences. Say, I am here. Say, I feel good. Say, I am learning English. These sentences are easy, but they are powerful. They help your mouth move. They help your brain connect words. And slowly, you start speaking naturally. Do not speak only in your mind. Speak out loud. Your mouth must hear your own voice. When you speak loudly, your brain remembers better. Your confidence also grows. Even if you are alone, speak clearly and loudly. Make speaking a daily habit. Speak every day, even for 5 or 10 minutes. You do not need a long time. You only need consistency. Small practice every day is better than long practice once a week. Your mouth learns slowly, step by step. Use a mirror. Stand in front of it and speak. Look at your face. Watch your mouth move. This helps you feel more confident. It also helps you see your progress. At first, it may feel strange, but it becomes easy with time. Repeat your sentences many times. Say the same sentence again and again. Each time, try to speak more clearly. Try to speak more smoothly. Repetition makes your mouth strong. It also makes your speaking faster. Your tongue needs training too. Some sounds feel difficult at first. That is normal. But when you repeat them, they become easier. Practice simple sounds. Practice simple words. Slowly, your pronunciation will improve. Speak about your daily life. Say what you are doing. Say what you see. Say what you feel. For example, I am drinking tea. I am watching TV. I feel tired today. These sentences are real and useful. Do not wait to feel ready. You will never feel fully ready. Fear will always be there at the start. But when you speak, fear becomes smaller. When you stay silent, fear becomes bigger. So choose to speak. Remember this. Your mouth will not learn by waiting. It will learn by speaking. Every time you speak, you improve. Every small sentence is a step forward. You are not slow. You are just starting. And starting is the most powerful step. Now slowly increase your speaking time. Do not stay with only one sentence. Try to speak 2 or 3 sentences together. For example, say, I wake up early. I feel sleepy. I drink tea. This helps your mouth connect ideas. It also helps your brain think in English. Practice small conversations with yourself. Ask simple questions and answer them. Say, what am I doing? Then answer, I am studying. Say, how do I feel? Then answer, I feel happy. This builds your speaking flow step by step. Choose a simple video or audio. Listen carefully to one sentence. Then pause and repeat it. Try to copy the sound and rhythm. This is called imitation. It helps your mouth learn natural speaking. Do this again and again. Do not try to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly. When you speak slowly, your brain has time to think. Your words become more correct. Your confidence also increases. Speed will come later. Do not try to use big or difficult words. Simple words are enough. Words like go, come, eat, and feel are very useful. You can make many sentences with them. Simple English helps you speak more easily. Create a small speaking routine. Speak in the morning for a few minutes. Speak again at night. Repeat your favorite sentences. This builds a strong habit, and habits make learning easy. Try recording your voice. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes and listen again. You will hear your mistakes. You will also hear your improvement. This is a powerful way to learn. It helps you become aware of your speaking. Your English does not need to be perfect. Perfect English is not the goal. Clear English is enough. If people understand you, that is success. So stop worrying about being perfect. Focus on speaking. Look around you and speak. Talk about objects near you. Say, this is my phone. Say, this is my room. Say, I see a chair. This makes learning real and easy. You do not need special topics. Practice when you are alone. There is no fear, no pressure. You can make mistakes freely. You can repeat many times. This is your safe space. Use it to train your mouth. Try to connect your sentences. Do not stop after every word. Speak smoothly. For example, say, I wake up early and I go to work. This helps you sound more natural. It improves your speaking rhythm. Do not look at what you cannot do. Look at what you can do. Maybe before, you could not speak at all. Now you can say a few sentences. That is progress. And progress is success. Training your mouth takes time. It will not change in one day. But if you practice daily, it will change. Slowly, your words will come faster. Your sentences will become longer. Your speaking will feel easier. Keep using your voice every day. Keep repeating simple sentences. Keep building your habit. Your mouth is learning with every word you speak. And step by step, you are moving forward. Now you understand something very important. Your mouth needs training every day. You also know that speaking is a skill, but now you need a clear path. You need simple steps you can follow. So let us make it easy for you. Let us start with 5 powerful steps. Step 1 is very simple. Speak every day. Do not skip a day. Even if you speak for 5 minutes, it is okay. Your mouth needs daily movement. When you speak daily, your brain and mouth connect better. This is the foundation of speaking. Step 2 is to use simple sentences. Do not try to be perfect. Do not try to sound advanced. Say small and clear sentences. For example, I am learning. I feel good. I go outside. Simple sentences build strong confidence. Step 3 is repetition. Repeat your sentences many times. Do not feel bored. Repetition is how your mouth learns. When you repeat, your speaking becomes faster. Your words come out more easily. Step 4 is to speak out loud. Do not keep English inside your head. Use your voice clearly. Let your ears hear your own speaking. This builds confidence and improves your pronunciation. Step 5 is to think in English. Stop translating all the time. Use simple thoughts in English. Say in your mind, I am tired. I am hungry. This helps your speaking become natural and fast. Now you have 5 simple steps. Speak daily. Use simple sentences. Repeat often. Speak out loud. Think in English. These steps are easy to follow, but they are very powerful. If you follow them daily, your speaking will improve. Now let me give you 3 helpful tips. These tips will make your learning easier. They will also make your practice more effective. Small tips can create big changes. So listen carefully. Tip number 1 is simple. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something. If you avoid mistakes, you stop learning. So speak freely and learn from your errors. Tip number 2 is to use real-life English. Speak about your daily life. Speak about your routine. Speak about your feelings. This makes your English useful and natural. You will remember it better. Tip 3 is consistency. This is very important in your life. Do not stop your practice. Do not wait for motivation. Practice every day, even for a short time. Small daily effort is very powerful. Consistency brings real progress. Now think about your journey. You already understand English. That means you are not starting from zero. You already have a strong base. Now you are building your speaking skill. Step by step, you are improving. Imagine your future again. You speak clearly. You express your ideas easily. You talk to people with confidence. You understand and respond naturally. This future is not far away. It is coming closer every day. You are stronger than your fear. You are more capable than you think. Do not let doubt stop you. Do not let silence control you. Use your voice. Speak your words. Move forward every day. So my friend, start today. Speak 1 sentence right now. Then speak another tomorrow. Keep going step by step. Train your mouth. Build your confidence. And trust your journey. Because one day you will speak without fear. And that day will begin with the choice you make today.